Can you really start self-improvement even if you have zero experience? 1 year ago, I wanted to start self-improvement, but I had no idea where to start. I kept watching creators, waking up early, going for a long runs, journaling, meditating, hitting the gym, reading books. So akala ko yun ang formula ng success. Kailangan ko sigurong gayahin lahat ng ginagawa nila. Sinubukan ko for 5 months, pinilit kong gawin lahat ng ginagawa nila. But instead of leveling up, I got overwhelmed, I burned out, and honestly, almost nothing changed. That's when I realized I was rushing. I was trying to change everything all at once. So I picked one small habit I actually wanted to start. Something simple, something doable. I stayed consistent with that one thing, then one habit turned into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, and suddenly, progress felt natural. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need to copy anyone. All you need is one habit you're willing to stick with. Start small, stay consistent, and let momentum do the rest. If you're like me, confused, overwhelmed, and don't know where to start, choose one habit, one thing you want to do. That's where real self-improvement begins. Not from doing everything, but from doing something.